Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. Hope you're all having a wonderful Saturday, with your friends, family. If we are looking at the cryptocurrency markets, you guys can see over the last 24 to 1 hour, you guys can see the market is slowly but surely turning back into the green. And as mentioned in my previous videos, overall, the month of December has been playing out and living up to the hype as expected. But today we will be discussing one project that I absolutely love, and this project is none other than Vechain. All right, my Vechain family, if we're looking at the price of Vechain right now, it is currently trading at that 1.93 cents mark, up 1.4% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, also up 1.1% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. Market cap is holding really strong at that $1.4 billion mark. And the 24-hour trading volume is currently sitting at 38.2 million. So far, so good. But now let's get right into the exciting stuff. The price, what's happening with the price, when are we about to break out, what are some short-term targets we should be looking at, where is the price headed? That's what we will discuss in today's video. Before I begin, as always, just a quick disclaimer for every one of you guys, and that is anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. As mentioned in the price, you guys can see we are hovering at that 1.93 cents mark, and this is on the daily time frame. And we've been trading here sideways for quite some time now. And when is the breakout happening? That might be the question on everyone's mind. When is the breakout? We have not seen Vechain breakout. What is going on? When is that massive breakout? All right, so basically, if we're looking at it from this point of view, you guys can see the price has been, trading sideways for quite some time since this massive drop back on November. But if I do bring out the hourly chart, look what's going on. Something very interesting is going on, and I'll tell you exactly what that interesting thing is. So, the yearly low for Vechain was just on November 22nd. At that 1.7 cents mark, and if you picked up some Vechain around there, you're already up about 11.8%. But look what's going on. Vechain is in an upwards channel right now. You guys can see what's going on, and it's an upwards channel. So could we see something like this form out where we retest oopsies, we don't need this, where we retest this wick at that 2 cents mark, retrace a little bit, and start heading back towards this level of resistance, this massive level of resistance at that 3.5 cents mark, which we were nearly almost able to touch just on August the 13th. And obviously we were seeing a beautiful breakout happen for the price of Vechain before. What a coincidence. Right the day before the news came out about FTX, we were seeing Vechain making a move towards the upside, almost touched 3 cents, some levels that we have not seen since August of this year. So, I am expecting, some sort of breakout happening within the price of Vechain and retesting that 2 cents level very soon. And if we're looking at the price of Bitcoin too, Bitcoin has been holding quite strong at that $17,000 mark. But even though I say that, we're still not in the 78.6. If the price of Bitcoin were to get back into the 78.6, I'm very confident that Vechain will start its upwards trend, and we could possibly start heading back to these levels at that 2.2 cents mark and even that 3 cents mark. I am expecting the overall market reversal, as mentioned, to happen in 2023. So the bottom could still be more lower, as mentioned to you guys in my previous videos. If the price of BTC were to drop further down, and if we were to take historic price patterns for the price of Bitcoin, historically speaking, the capitulation should be around $11,000. But that does not mean that history always have to repeat itself. But so far, it has been repeating itself as it has done in the previous cycles. But who knows, if the price of Bitcoin were to go back above 22K mark in 2023, quarter one, then I'm convinced that we have seen the bottom. But right now, we're still in the danger end of the spectrum for the price of Bitcoin, as mentioned. So we shouldn't be getting too excited in terms of that. But I'm extremely excited about Vechain, regardless if I'm picking it up at 1 cent or at 2 cents mark, dollar cost averaging in is going to be the best case scenario, and a lot of whales are accumulating right now. You can go look at the wallets and they are increasing at a tremendous rate, and that just goes to show a lot of people are optimistic, not just optimistic on a project with no value behind it. Look what Vechain is doing, and they're developing, they're innovating, and I keep on saying this on a continuous basis. I always like, kind of reminding everyone that what Vechain is really doing. Look at that ecosystem. Look at some names around here. You can see some big names that are massive organizations around the world. You can see BMW. You can see DHL, Walmart China, H&M. The list goes on, and this is where Vechain is headed. And on top of that, they're ramping up their marketing. So everything they have for itself playing out for them. And I really do believe that the next bull cycle, Vechain is going to be one of the projects that is going to really shock a lot of people. The time is coming very near, and I'm very confident in that. But do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think, where you could see the price of Vechain go in the next bull cycle, where you could see us be before we end the year off. Let me know your thoughts down below. What are you guys doing? Comment down below. Do not forget to like. It really helps out the channel a lot, and I will keep bringing you guys these updates on a daily basis. I love you all. See you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.